Hi guys, Lulu from Boho Locs here, the creator of this Mermaid Locs style. In this video I thought I'd address some of the frequently asked questions that I get about Boho Locs. Maybe they're questions that you have. I really hope that I answer them in this video. Please stick around and check that I do. So a common question I get is, well, what's the difference between Mermaid Locs and Boho Goddess Locs? And essentially they are both crochet lock styles developed by us here at Boho Locs, me here at Boho Locs. The difference with Mermaid Locs is that they are not only just our beautiful Boho Goddess Locs, but it's also mixed in with some wavy hair. So you crochet them in together throughout the hair, and the idea is that you create a look that's kind of like half lock, half wavy, and very, very, very cool. So another question I get a lot is what type of hair is used for our Mermaid Locs, and it is Japanese kanekalon hair. Really, really high quality synthetic. So I did travel to Asia to develop this style further, and I didn't want to use the synthetic hair that is used in the beauty supply stores. I wanted to do something that was different and better quality. So the Japanese kanekalon is the highest quality synthetic that you can get, and that is the hair that we now use in our Mermaid Locs. We actually recently improved them. We were using sort of like generic synthetic hair, but we've taken the time to go back to the drawing board and develop something that's going to last longer, and that is why we now use the Japanese kanekalon fiber hair. A question I get asked a lot is, how is it applied? And the answer is, it's applied in the same way that you would your regular crochet style. So the wavy hair that we provide with our Mermaid Locs is on a strand by strand basis. So this is what we would call a strand at Boho Locs. So in each pack you get 40 of these. They do have string at the top, so that means once you've crocheted it in, if you need to tighten, you can actually do that by pushing the string up. It keeps it neater, way easier to apply than just using a batch of hair. We're rolling this out across all of our Mermaid Loc styles, so all of them will come with this very soon. A common question I get asked about Mermaid Locs is in relation to how are they maintained. Some people think they're different to the regular crochet locs, or how is it they differ and how do you need to take care of them? The answer is they're not actually that different from our regular crochet locs. The only thing that you really need to do with Mermaid Locs is I recommend once or twice a day going through the hair and separating the locks and the wavy hair from each other to reduce any matting. Another thing I recommend is using a silk scarf or a silk pillowcase or hairbands in the hair at night, but I do also have a full video on how you need to maintain your locks. A common question I get is, can they get wet and can they be washed? The answer is, you don't necessarily need to wash them. If you do, please use cold water. Obviously we're dealing with synthetic hair here, so if we're going to use water that's of a high temperature, it's going to cause the hair to be manipulated and to change just due to the temperature. So keep it cool as you can. If you can do cold, even better. That's if you have to wash it, but a lot of clients, myself included, when I have the locks in, I don't actually wash them. I just keep them in. I keep my hair hydrated and moisturized, and I've got a video on that as well. But for the actual locks, I don't actually wash them, no. Another question I commonly get asked about Mermaid Locs is, do they tangle? Because obviously we're dealing with wavy hair and locks side by side. It is a common question. I would answer that by saying yes and no. You're going to experience some tangling because we're dealing with synthetic hair here. But is it going to be tangling to the point where you can't wear the style or the style doesn't look good? Not at all. I actually prefer my Mermaid Locs after I've had them in for about a week or two, when they've started to bed down and almost match a little bit together. That is when I'm hitting my stride with my locks. I love them even more when they get to that stage. So what I will actually do is I will make another video in a few weeks when I've worn these for a while, so you can see how the locks actually progress. But in terms of, are they a tangling hairstyle, I would say no, they're not. We do have maintenance instructions to help you minimize any tangling, so it's not anything that you would need to worry about with this style. It can last a long time. I wear mine for probably up to 12 weeks at a time when I'm not in sort of like modeling mode, when I have to change the styles all the time. But no, tangling isn't something you need to worry about. Excessive tangling is not something you need to worry about with Mermaid Locs. And I hope that has answered your question. If I didn't answer your question, then please feel free to comment or email me info@boholocs.com and I will answer that for you. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Lulu Pierre. Mermaid Locs are available at boholocs.com. I'm wearing a brand and I have put some jewels and accessories in it, and you get a free jewel and accessory kit with each kit vlogs. So thank you for watching. Take care guys, have a good day.